Yep, clean my another bubble tea trucks, bubble tea and ice cream. Clean it. See, New Year coming up. I can make more money in here again. Yeah, I'm not tired. So let's go do it. Let's do it. Sell ice cream, shave ice, bubble tea. People still want it. So everything opportunity. So just clean it up, dress it up, cramp it up. I gotta prep my ride. And let's go make the money. This is money truck, you guys. I'm gonna sell 8,000. Anybody want it? Call me. Because this is a money truck. Look at this. Look at cold plate freezer. I got all the ice cream. Cold plate freezer. I'll tell you guys. This is a money truck. On the side, your own business. Nobody bother you. You be your own boss. I got a small refrigerator here. I got the shape iron machine. And I got a cold plate. Big long shot. Freezer, cold plate. Look at this. And custom made shell. Custom made. This custom made. Got the shell. And I got the working table. And I got the shell around the truck. Shell stuck up over there, full loaders. I got a good AC, beautiful power box, 4 compartment sink. I have to clean up. This is easy. It's not a big problem. Just clean up. 4 compartment sink. I got to clean up, you guys. So I got 4 compartments right here. That's all you need. And clean it up, everything should be working right. I haven't used for 2-3 years. I just park, I just sit here. So today I'm taking myself, come in here and clean up. And I got the egg tank, fresh water. Egg tank. Yep, pretty much everything looking good. All I need to do is just clean up, that's it. It's gonna come back, brand new again. Brand new. And a money truck. Money making, you guys. This is your own side job, the business. You be your own boss. Nobody gonna tell you what to do. You do what you want to do. Just go ahead, jump in, make the money, and jump out. How good is that? I'll show you. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.